In this video, we are given this radical problem. We are given this bunch of radicals, but the problem is we are not allowed to use calculator and we want to simplify it. So let's start the solution. So we have a radical here, square root of, if you look at here, we have square root of 9, which is equal to 3, and minus we have square root of 8, and square root of 8 can be written as 4 times 2, square root of 4 times 2. Fine. Now we have square root of 3 minus, if you look at here, we have square root of 4 times 2, but we know that square root of 4 is 2, so we can pull out 2, and then we have square root of 2, right? Now I can write this 3 as 2 plus 1, then I have 2 square root of 2, right? And we have another square root on top of it. The only thing I have done so far in this step is that I have just converted this 3 as 2 plus 1. Now we have 2 plus we have 1 minus we have 2 and then square root of 2, right? And on top of all of them we have another square root. Now if you look at here, we have square root 2, therefore I can write this 2 as square root of 2 whole square. And if you look at here, we have 1, which can be written as 1 square is 1, and I want to write 1 with this last term. In other words, I'm multiplying this guy with 1 and the answer is still gonna stay same. And why did I do that? The reason is, now I can use this formula. The formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Here we have a as square root of 2 and b is equal to 1. So we have exactly this form. Therefore this guy that is inside the square root can be written in according to this formula as square root of 2 minus b is 1 whole square. Now I can cancel out this square root and square, and my answer will be absolute value of square root 2 minus 1. Absolute value because the answer should be positive, but this guy is 1.4 something, and therefore this guy is greater than 1, so this answer is positive. The difference is positive, therefore you can just get rid of the square root and the answer is square root 2 minus 1. So without using calculator, we can say that this expression is equal to square root 2 minus 1, and which is approximately equal to 0.4 something.